Want to take control of your finances in the new year? Here's how to get started. What's up, budget buddies? I'm Aris, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to set financial goals for the new year. First and foremost, it's important to take some time to reflect on your current financial situation and think about what you want to achieve in the coming year. Do you want to pay off debt? Save more money? Invest in your future, or something else? Having specific goals in mind can help you stay motivated and focused. One helpful tip is to set SMART goals. This stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. In other words, your goals should be specific and clear, with a target amount or percentage in mind. They should be measurable, so you can track your progress. They should be attainable, meaning that you have the resources and ability to achieve them. They should be relevant, meaning that they align with your overall financial goals and priorities. And they should have a time frame, so you have a deadline to work towards. It's also a good idea to prioritize your goals. Consider what is most important to you and focus on those goals first. This can help you avoid getting overwhelmed and ensure that you are making progress on the things that matter most to you. Another helpful tip is to create a plan of action. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable steps and schedule them into your calendar. This can help you stay on track and make progress towards your goals. Finally, don't be afraid to seek out resources and support to help you achieve your financial goals. Consider speaking with a financial planner or counselor, or looking for community resources or programs that can provide financial assistance. With a little bit of planning and effort, you can set and achieve financial goals that will help you build a stronger financial foundation for yourself in the new year. Let's embrace our financial wellness journey together. Are you going to try any of these? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't yet, do consider subscribing and hitting that bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in the next one.